Hello kids! Have you ever wondered how do computers work? How do you create a website? Or how does Google Photos classify your photos based on the faces? We come across these things all the time. But do you really want to explore how this happens? Then come, let's explore it together. A computer program is a set of instructions that causes a computer to perform some kind of task. And a software is a collection of different software programs. Oh, a lot of info to process? Then let's understand it this way. Programs are a bit like thoughts. If you didn't have thoughts, you would probably just sit on the floor, staring vacantly and drooling down the front of your shirt. Your thought, "Get above the floor," is an instruction or command that tells your body to stand up. In the same way, programs tell computers what to do. Without computer programs, almost every device we daily use would either stop working or be much less useful than it is now. Now, like humans, computers too use multiple languages to communicate, and they are called programming languages. There are many of them, and here we are moving forward with Python. Big tech companies like Google, Instagram, Spotify use Python because of its simplicity and for doing different tasks. But you might be thinking that what all things you can do with Python. So let me show you some of the examples. You can automate boring stuff. You can create your own games. You can dive in the world of machine learning and artificial intelligence. You can design websites. You can make robots work. And the list is endless. So, now that you are excited about your learning journey, I'll see you guys in the next video.